Okay, we got tape on it now. Sun seems to have came out from behind the clouds. Remember, just play through this realistic 909 speaker. I've not put this belt back on yet. 7.5. Now to show you how the thing recorded. Oh wait. Gotta put this little belt right here back on so it'll rewind. Also planning on gluing a reel pin back on this reel table right here. And here's the tape I recorded on. Yes, it is a Kodak film reel. Tape that's on this actually came with the recorder, just like this 5-inch reel right here did. I think it was actually on that 5-inch reel when I got it. That's how it recorded. You can tell the song through the squeal, but you can't listen to it. It has a death squeal to it, so I call that. It'll kill your ears if you listen to it. See exactly how that rewind works. Looks like it's going pretty fast, but it isn't. It's only going like 15 in reverse. Here's how fast forward works. See that? This pulley slightly moved right here. See, that belt's exactly the right thickness. There, it came off again, just by poking it. Actually, before it came off on its own, so I'm just going to leave it off. You can really see it when it wants to move. And the restoration process should be pretty simple. And that's all for this part of the video. Here's something right here that I didn't notice. This little C-clip right here. Alright. Now notice when I turn something up here, the motor spins. What do you think that is? That C-clip's attached to it. It's the dang flywheel up there. You see exactly how the belts go around it now. Right now it's in 7.5 mode. That's the wheel that goes. This is actually the slip clutch right here. I've actually took it apart before. I can spin this bottom part all into the top part of it. Yeah. Then I might have to take off that C-clip off the bearing before I get the flywheel off, which is okay. But it's a little bit more work than what I expected. Okay, here's a problem I've seen. See how that belt's moving like that? That's from a couple reasons. That could be caused from a couple reasons. from the belt being too loose, and the motor mount hitting it. And this is on 7.5. The motor mount is hitting that belt. You can tell. A little too fast to see. But that, and also since the belt is loose, you can tell it needs help.
What a concept. Could use a little fuel myself, and we could all use